Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Money Network app won't let me log in. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So in this case, what we need to do first is we need to make sure that you have a stable interconnection. Now, not having a stable interconnection can actually affect the actual app itself. So in this case, make sure that you're using either a Wi-Fi connection. But if you're using your mobile data, in this case, sometimes mobile data would fluctuate, which in this case might be the cause of this issue. Now, once you're sure that the interconnection that you're using right now is not the issue and you've used an internet speed tester, well, in this case, there are a few things that still you could do to fix this issue. So one of them is to make sure that you're using the latest version of the app. So in this case, go ahead and open up Google Play Store if you're using your Android device, or if you're using an Android device. If you're using iOS, make sure to visit the Play Store or the App Store. From then on, search for the app and see if there are any update button next to it. Now, if you see an update button, go ahead and click on it and wait for the update to complete. And once the update is complete, go ahead and open it up and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve the issue, the next thing you want to do is you want to clear your cache. Now, if you're not aware yet, cache is temporary files that is stored on your mobile device. So to clear that, go ahead and press on your mobile app here for Money Network. Click on App Info. Click on Clear Data at the bottom right here. Click on Clear Cache and click on OK. Once you've done that, you could go ahead and open up Cache Money Network here. And from here on, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.